batu region, and yeah, it going back and just tap. Cool. Hello everyone, my name Angga Risky and welcome back to my video in YouTube. So previously that we have to learn about this one, okay? But I think that I had little problem about the transition where when it goes back to the card. So let me show you here. So this is our last practice, right? So when I click this and I click again, you see the transition wasn't there. So right now we want to modify and we want to design the other screen that we need in this project. Okay, so first of all you're gonna copy the travel space.flinto. So you got the new, okay, travel space new, just double click and then we're gonna modify this design. Okay, so first of all you're gonna select this picture card and just remove the gesture. So that after that create link to going back to the this screen, but in this case we will do manually for the return animation. So just select the new transition here. Okay, it's little messy but it's okay, just step by step. Okay, what we do here, just align the screen and you're going to the card and you select the pick to card and pick to card, just connect the layer. Okay, so we are in the start section and the end section. So in the beginning, this Batu region in Yogyakarta have to be hidden. So probably we just need to play this opacity and move to the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. And with the some delay after the picture appears and then we continue this title. So it have to be 500. Let me show you how it works. So we select this Batu region and we select again and it appears. You see what I mean? So right now it's a little smooth, right? Okay, so let's continue for this indicate. We are selecting those menu, okay, and setting the opacity to the 0 and move to the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that after that we setting the delay about 800. Okay, so just preview. Okay, so the current problem is only for this one, the title. So we're gonna select the title travel and this is travel. We're gonna connect the layers and get some delay 800 and save then exit and preview again. Okay, okay, nice. So it looks like more smooth, right? Except of this design, because as long we are using the opacity of this design, it look worse. But what to try? Just try edit transition. So this is cut dummy and this is cut dummy. We're gonna connect the layer and connect the layer. Okay, and try again. Okay, looks so smooth, right? Okay, perfecto. So in the next purpose, we want to design the other screens for the tile information. So just open your last document that we have been designed. So here we just need to command D to duplicate it and place card information the tile. Okay, so in this case we don't need this one, so perhaps we just need to move to the middle and remove the opacity to the 0. Okay, so this one we don't need, just move and Okay, and then after that we want to modify the design of these pages. Okay, so what I gonna do here is select the background card and setting it to 288 and move to the middle like this. Okay, and then put like this. Oh, sorry, I think just like this. And this one I want to make it smaller. Okay, and put to the top, at the top like this. Okay, so for this content that we got some space that we can do for the another content. Okay, so I was thinking that we want to add some picture here and the button for buying a ticket. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we want to create a button here. Okay, and put in the middle and group the name is tickets btn. Okay, remove the border and put to the bottom like this. Okay, cool. And I want to change the color. Okay, what color that suits with background? Let's try. Oh, we got blue, right? So I think that we can use blue. Oh, matching. And just write text to do ticket and change the font size 18, change the color white and medium, and just put to the middle like this. Looks nice. And I think I can play with some shadow. Yeah, the fancy design. So just put here. Okay, look nice. Okay, we got it. And I think the button it's bigger, so probably that command key and just decrease by 80 like this. Cool. Now we want to add some picture here, but I think that the space it doesn't enough, so I want to increase again and move the picture, just make it smaller again. Yeah, it's like the profile picture, but it's not. Okay, and we put again like this. So we got some space for the picture, and I just want to copy this title and then so that I'm able to focus like this. Okay, cool. Now we just want to add the picture here below of the title, correct? So what I do here, just shortcut U, and you are able to design for the picture placeholder, and just write pick travel. Okay, and you can use the any picture that you have. Okay, so I think I want to duplicate this. Okay, just duplicate again. Okay, so I think that we are able to make scrolling, but let's see is it working or not. So first of all, I want to change the picture. Okay, and then try to just duplicate. Okay, and try to change the picture to any picture. Okay, we got it. Okay, cool. So right now what I do here, just select this artboard and going back to the Flinto and import, and you will see the checkbox to import selected artboards. Ta-da! Cool. Now just select this photo and scroll group, and you will see this. Okay, and to be here. Okay, just select this artboard and preview. Oh my god, lights. Home screen. Yeah, it is working. Nice, right? So we're going back home. Okay, don't forget to save your document. Okay, so when I swipe up the design, first of all, create link and the gesture have to be swipe up. Okay, up swipe. And with the new transition, align the screen and just repeat card dummy with the card dummy, card dummy again with the card dummy, select the card, picture with the picture, and ticket button we don't have yet, so just 1 2 3 4 5 and give them opacity. Okay, and also this one with the 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, okay, nice. And for the description, because we have description already, so we just need connect the layer and the background also. Okay, and preview it. Whenever we swipe like this, it happens. Okay, nice, right? And I want to select the dash, get some delay 500, and also user, oops, 500, and also the ticket button and this one got some delay 500. Okay, just save and exit and preview again. And slap up. Oh, nice, right? Try again. But gesture swipe up, it's kinda hard. Yeah, it's kinda hard, but it's okay. Okay, to make it working properly, to make sure it, to ensure, I want to change the gesture to the tap. Sorry, double tap. Okay, we try. Oh, yeah, it's working. Nice. Cool. So, I'm going to edit the transition. And I think that I missed something here. So, just let me find something that maybe I miss. Wait. Edit transition and okay, so the picture is too fast, so just need to get some delay, but it goes too fast. Actually, I did some delay here. I think that I have to increase the delay. Okay, so just increase the delay 800 and preview again. Oh, I think for this end user don't have any delay. Okay, preview and yeah, cool. And the ticket button, I think we're gonna make it longer, 1200. Okay, just preview. Cool. Okay, cool, very nice, right? We're gonna save and exit. Okay, so this is how can easily to create the animation for travel space. Batu region, and yeah, it going back and just tap. Cool. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. Nice to meet you from Indonesia. See you. Bye.